Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'll be showing you guys my at-home maintenance routine where I walk you through all of the steps of doing my hair, my nails, my makeup, lashes and brows. Sorry y'all, I've done this too many times. I'm not starting over. Let's just jump right into it. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and clean my brows with some micellar water. This will get rid of any oil and dirt that is in the brows. I am going to go ahead and outline them first with a white pencil just to make sure that everything is even. I'm just going to do the same to the other side, just making sure that they are even. Okay, this next part, I look so crazy. This next part is optional. You can go ahead and fill them in like this with your tint or dye. I am just going to take it a step further and go in with some tape and outline the brow. I will be going in with the Just for Men's beard dye to tint my eyebrows. This is in the shade dark brown. So you just want to mix equal parts on this. It comes with this, and go ahead and apply the tint. Okay, so I'm stopping about right here. I'm not going to go ahead and fill all the way to the front. I'm going to be doing that part last. It's been about 5 minutes. Well, it hasn't been that long, probably about 3 minutes. But the dye is darkening now, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply where I need, where I see I need it, and then go ahead and do the front. Okay, and I am just going to go ahead and take the tape off because this is my first time doing it and I don't know if it's seeping through. And also I just want to go over it with a Q-tip to get any excess off, so it doesn't look like it seeped through. This was a really great hack. I can't believe I thought of this. Wow. Okay, and I'm just going to wait about 10 more minutes and then I'll come back and wipe it off. And I just got some micellar water on my cotton rounds. This pencil is harder to get off than the dye. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so we're pretty clean. So that is it. I love them. If you are going to try this, just make sure that you get stencil or some tape. So my brows are done. Let's move on to the lashes. For the lashes, I will be using my Kiss Falscara kit. This is the lengthening version. These look the most natural and they just lengthening your lashes. That's literally it. They're so pretty. They look like this. These are lash clusters. It comes with an applicator, bun is sealed, and of course the lashes. I did pick up the overnighter as well, and this is just supposed to extend the wear time. Also, y'all, I like to use tape, so I like to tape my eyelids up when I apply these. Taking my clear bond, I'm just going to go section by section. I'm not going to go ahead and take this across the full lash. To me, this just lasts a lot longer when you're doing section by section because your bun's not sitting drying. So I also like to apply that bun on the lash as well. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that that glue is all the way dry. This is a major key to getting these lashes to last. Trust me, I used to have beef with this brand so bad because I'm like, this don't work. My lashes not staying a day, if 2 days. You just want to make sure that it's completely dry, and then you're going to go in with that seal and then the overnight. So I'm just going to go in and seal them, and then we're going to make sure that this is completely dry as well. I'm just going to go in with the overnighter, and you just want to lay this across the bend. Just going to make sure that this is completely dry. We're really going to take our time and dry this overnighter, and that is the key for making these lashes last. Alright, so the overnighter is dried. You just want to dry it until it's no longer tacky. So this is the brows and lashes done. I am obsessed. I love them so much. Also, we're moving on to nails. For my nails, I will be using these X-Coat tips by BT Art. They're just French tips in white. These are the long version of them. They're so cute. This is what they look like. And I'll also have some short ones. Y'all, I'm so sorry. My video quality and lighting is kind of jacked up doing this nail process, but I'm just going to kind of explain what I'm doing. So right now I am just removing the shine off on my nails with that drill and these alcohol wipes. It's moving kind of fast, but also you guys can do some cuticle work. I don't know nothing about that, but I just removed the shine, y'all, and these lasted me 2 weeks. I did kind of noticing the base was lifting, but the nails still stayed on. None of them popped off for about 2 weeks. So I'm gonna do a little bit more research, because I don't like the fact that they were lifting, because that can kind of cause your nail to turn green, and we don't want that. Okay, so the video is kind of self-explanatory, y'all. Hope y'all are understanding, and I'll do another like in-depth tutorial for another maintenance vlog with better lighting and quality video. I promise. But hopefully you guys can kind of follow along like this. But yeah, so I think this is just top coat, y'all. And I did make a mistake by putting base coat, builder gel, and then top coat. You don't need all that, y'all. Just builder gel and top coat. That's literally it. So right here, I'm just going in with the one of the final steps, which is top coat. And then you guys will see me use chrome. Y'all, I don't know, but the chrome, as soon as I washed my hands, that chrome was gone. So I think that I think you're kind of supposed to leave the top coat kind of tacky, but I don't know. These are super cute salon quality nails at home, y'all. So we have everything done except for the hair. Let's go ahead and get it curled. And I'm just going to be curling every which way. There's no particular curl way I'm curling it or anything like that. I just want, basically I want some body. I don't like straight hair no more. So I'm not really curling the curls tight, especially not in the back. If y'all know, baby, these curls ain't finna last. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray each section with some hairspray. Both sides are done, which the back of my head is really none of my business, so I really don't care how it's looking back there. The curls are going to be much tighter up front, because that's what we care about, okay? So this one didn't do like supposed to been did, but we just go, yeah. Oh yeah, you just wanna, I'm not really gonna touch it back because we barely curl the back, so yeah. But yeah, that's so cute. Okay, this is what we're rocking with right now, because I'm not about to do anything else. I'm not about to keep curling. I think it is what it is. So that's it for the hair. So that was pretty much it for my at-home maintenance routine. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.